Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word presentation. Let's practice together. Presentation.
Good presentation.
My presentation. Your presentation. The presentation is ready. I have a presentation. She gave a presentation. We need a presentation. The presentation starts now. Prepare your presentation. Presentation skills are important. I practice my presentation daily. The presentation was successful. Can you help with the presentation? This presentation is for clients. He improved his presentation. The presentation needs visuals. We discussed the presentation plan. Presentation day is tomorrow. I will attend the presentation. The presentation covers sales data. She prepared the presentation slides. Practice your presentation confidently. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in tomorrow's video.